Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make all the rows same size in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. First I will check this row size. Click on this table properties and click on the row serial number and scroll down. Here you will find this row height option. This row height 38 and this row height 25. I will make all of this row height 25. Dragging your mouse, you can select all of this row. Also, you can select all of this row. Click right button and scroll down and select all cells and select. Now type here 2.5 and press enter and see this. All of this row height are adjusted and similar. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.